The vertical leg of the right angle triangle has length 8. The hypotenuse has length 10. Find x. Solution. The area of the triangle is equal to 24. On the other hand, this area is equal to pink area plus blue area, 10x plus 4x. So x is equal to 12 over 7.